Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a grid paper or graph paper in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So we need first stop in Microsoft Word, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. So here we need to simply choose layout. We need to put margin first. Click on margins. Now here we have to choose narrow. So click on narrow. Now once done, you have to click on the insert tab. And here you will find table. So click on this drop down arrow and simply choose this one like that. Now once you have inserted a table, you just need to simply click on this one, this plus sign symbol. And then you have to click on the table layout. Now, once you click on the table layout, you will find this for the width. Simply, like you have to simply choose this or click this down arrow to decrease its width. Okay, like that. Now, once done, you have to click again on this plus sign symbol. And then we have to simply choose table layout. And here you will find this option, insert column right. Click on that. Okay. Now click again on the plus sign symbol. And here you have to choose table layout. And here you will find this option, insert row below. Insert again and insert again. Now let's put one more. And this is how it looks like. So that's it. That's how you can easily make a grid paper or a graph paper in Microsoft Word. So you just need to simply save it once you're done by clicking on this save icon and then save it anywhere on your Windows for the destination path and click on save. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.